In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klaviyo's abandoned cart feature for Shopify, perfect for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to recapture those sales that didn't quite make it to the finish line, this tutorial is your go-to guide. Let's dive right in, ensuring you've got everything set up properly from the start. First and foremost, make sure your Klaviyo account is seamlessly connected to your Shopify store. This integration is crucial as it allows your email flows to automatically trigger when someone leaves items in their cart. Once you're certain of the connection, log into your Klaviyo account. Once inside, head over to the Flows tab. This is the place where you'll orchestrate how and when your emails go out. In the Flows section, use the search bar to find abandoned cart flow. You have options here. You can choose a pre-built template, which comes with some elements pre-arranged for you, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can start from scratch. For this tutorial, let's stick with a template to keep things simple and efficient. Now it's time to set up the trigger. The next step is crucial for getting your timing right. Choose started checkout as your trigger. This means that when someone initiates a checkout but doesn't complete it, they'll be identified for this email sequence. For the trigger delay, best practice suggests setting it between 30 to 60 minutes after cart abandonment. This window is typically long enough to remind customers, yet short enough to keep their interest alive. Next, let's build out your email sequence. Your first email, which acts as a gentle reminder, should be scheduled to go out about 60 minutes after they've left their cart. A friendly subject line could read, "It looks like you left something behind." This subject grabs attention without being overly pushy. For the content, it's all about giving them a nudge, remind them of the items sitting in their cart, and, if possible, entice them with a free shipping offer. Adding such incentives can often make the difference between an abandoned cart and a completed purchase. Once you've crafted your email, remember to click Save. It's important to ensure everything is set as you intended before you make it live. And finally, once you're satisfied with your setup, click on Review and then Turn On. This final step activates your flow, putting all your hard work into action. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips for boosting conversions. Use catchy subject lines to improve open rates and personalize your emails with the customer's first name using the #firstname tag. Additionally, ensure your emails have a clear call to action linking back to checkout, and consider adding social proof such as testimonials or reviews to enhance trust. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to implement these steps to boost your Shopify sales using Klaviyo's powerful toolset. Happy selling!